Okay, students, though it was message in the parents group that tell your child to call me, I got a call from very few of them. The messages whichever I am posting in the parents group, the parents need to take it very seriously. Anyway, yesterday we discussed something about chapter number 4 of accounts, that is reconstruction of partnership. In that I explained with my own example, and I said you to do two illustrations, that is illustration 1 and illustration number 2 in homework. Plenty of you have done, and most probably I got a doubt that there is a confusion in illustration number 2. I don't know exactly what is there, but this is somewhat very much similar to illustration 2 or exactly illustration 2. Right now I am not having textbook. So in illustration number 2 they have said to find what? Sacrifice ratio. Now how to find sacrifice ratio, students? Sacrifice ratio is equals to what? Old ratio minus new ratio. Am I right or wrong? The formula you are very much known to. Talking about partner A, old ratio will be what? 2 by 5 minus 3 by 6. Yes or no? Now what you need to do, you need to simply cross multiply. 6 2s are 12, 5 3s are 15 upon 30. That gives me what? Minus 3 upon 30. There is no need to make further solution minus 1 upon 10. Students, this illustration I am doing purposely to make you people explain. There is no need to make further solution. Let it be here itself, minus 3 upon 30. Though in textbook it is given, we are not interested for further solution. Now talking about B. So it will be what? Again 2 upon 5 minus 2 upon 6. That comes to what? 30. 6 2s are 12. 5 2s are 10. So that gives me what? 2 upon 30. Coming back to partner C, that is what? 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 6. 6 1s are 6 minus 5 upon 30. So let it be as 1 upon 30 only. Those whose answer is in positive, that particular person is sacrificing. Alright? So lastly you have to write the sentence, hence B and C sacrifice in the ratio of 2:1. This is your final answer. You need to write the conclusion sentence 2:1. Okay, so this is illustration number 2, which might be clear to you. Moving on to the further part, that is how to find the new heading, that is taking one more example. A, B and C are partners. Forum, can you help me out? What is their old ratio?
3
3
2
2.
2
Okay, 2. 3:2 is to 2. What will be their new ratio? 5
5
3
3
2. This is a simple example I have said. Okay. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 it becomes what? 7. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 it becomes what? 10. What we need to find, that is sacrifice ratio, is equals to what? Old ratio minus new ratio. Talking about partner A, so it will be what? 3 by 7 minus 5 by 10. So simply cross multiply. 10 3s are 30 and 7 5s are 35 upon 70. That gives me what? Minus 5 upon 70. No need to make further solution. Let it be as it is. Coming back to B, what it will be? That is 2 by 5. Sorry, 2 by, it will be not 5, it will be 7 minus 3 by 10. So that again comes to what? 70. 10 2s are 20 and 7 3s are 21. That gives me what? Minus 1 upon 70. Coming back to the partner C, that is what? 2 by 7 minus 2 by 10. So simply what I need to do? Cross multiply. 10 2s are 20 minus 14. That comes to what? 6 upon 70. So this particular person answer is coming in positive. So C is sacrificing. Now you can write further. C is sacrificing by 6 by 70, or you can write what? 3 by 35. Is it clear, students? So please do keep in mind this thing. Okay. Moving on to the new heading, that is, I expect now sacrifice ratio will be very much clear to you. Yes or no? Now moving on to the further part. Let us take the example, old ratio of ABC is 3:2:5 and new ratio is, let us take the example 2:2:1. Total comes to what? 10, total comes to what? 5. Till now we have discussed something about what? Sacrifice ratio. Now we are discussing about what? Gain ratio. Opposite of sacrifice ratio, another heading, that is to find what? Gain ratio. That is what? New ratio minus old ratio. What was the formula of sacrifice ratio? Old minus new. What is the formula of gain? That is new minus old. So student, please make it clear that what you want to find for. Coming back to finding the answer of A. It is new minus old. So new is this one. So it will be what? 2/5 minus 3/10. That gives me what? 50. 10 twos are 20 minus 15. That gives me what? 5/50. Again, there is no need to make a further solution. Coming back to B. 2/5 minus 2/10. 50 will be the LCM. 10 twos are 20 minus 10. That gives me what? 10/50. Coming back to C. 1/5 minus 1/10. 1/5 minus 1/10. So that gives me what? 10 minus 5 upon 50. So that gives me what? 5/50. Now students, check it out where it is something wrong. 2/5, 2/5, 1/5, fair enough. 3/10, 2/10. 10 twos are 20, 10. 10 twos are 20 minus 15. 1/5 minus, here I have made a mistake. See, 5/10 it must be, sorry, my mistake. Okay, 5/10. So 5 5 z comes to what? 25. That gives me what? Minus 50. How I came to know, students, I have made a mistake because I was getting all the three in positive. Never ever it will be happening that all are in negative or all are in positive. So students, hint is to be kept in mind. The total of numerator must be coming what? 0. If at all you know, I came to know that I have made somewhere mistake because all the answers were in positive. Now here who is positive? That is A and B. So here we have to write what? Gain. Gaining by which ratio? 5:10. So you can write simply what? 1:2. Homework is to solve illustration number 1, 2, 3 and 4. And same way find out the sums which is exactly similar to this two method in exercise. Again, those who have not called me, please call me. It's a request. All the best. Be prepared for the test on Monday of OC. Okay.